It's still coming down. Let's see if my dogs will follow me out into the snow. See how dedicated they are to me. Oh my, this is ridiculous. All right, let them go.
Hey, go on, go.
Bruce, Bruce, come on, Bruce. Bruce, I need your help in the snow. Come on, Bruce. Come on, Bruce. Bruce, Bruce. Come on, Bruce. Bruce. Come on, Bruce. Oh, come on, Brucey. Good boy. Come on, Bruce. Good dog. Come on, Bruce. Come on, get a big treat. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's got it. Come on, buddy. Come on. That's a good dog. Good dog. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, Brucey. Come on. Brucey. Brucey. Up. He's going back. Come on, Brucey. Come on, Brucey. That's just a gun. Don't worry about it. Come on, boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. There he comes. Good dog. Come on, Bruce. Come on. You got it. Come on, for the victory. Come on. Oh, good boy. Come on. You're gonna be tired. Oh. Ah, good boy. Mama made it too. Good boy. So now y'all can come out here and shit, huh? Instead of shitting on the porch. What do you think? That's good. All right, I'll follow you all. Go on. All right. Truck. See if you can get around in the snow. Well, on a day like this, a certain song comes to mind that has to be heard, and it is this one. Everything looks real nice. There's my old house. How y'all doing? Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there.
That's Bighorn.
That's the Bighorn one right there. 5.7 liter, 345 horsepower plus.
Of pure manhood.
Pure manhood. And this one right here is a 5.3 liter Chevrolet. These are both 06. Oh yeah. Get on her. Hey look, it's the Wii Is. Oh yeah.